the King for those of you who are joining me for the first time. Also, if you're joining me for the first time, or if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I want to encourage you to do so for a variety of DIY projects. For today, I am going to give you a centerpiece idea. For this centerpiece, I'm using it for an event that I have coming up very soon. And so my theme is sunflowers, so I'm going to use sunflowers in the decor. And then also I have another video that's going to follow this where I'm going to do another, like 2 other sunflower centerpieces. So you want to stay tuned, but today's centerpiece is going to be a tall rectangular centerpiece. And I would say it's 2 tiers. I'm going to have like a bottom tier with candles, and then I'm going to have a top tier with a floral arrangement. So I'm going to start by letting you know the things that you're going to need for this project. Now, you are going to need some candles. I'm going to use about 6 of these. You're gonna need the tea light holder. I have 3 of these. I have like these candle holders. You're gonna need about 3 of these. And since we're working with sunflowers, I got some sunflower seeds here. This is going to be a really tall centerpiece, and these, you're going to need like 4 of these rods, and you can, or dollies or dowels, whatever you call them, you can get these from Walmart. So I have 4 of them. I really don't know the measurements for them. Doesn't have any information on it, but you need 4 of these. I received 2 canvases like this. They're square and they're really nice, but I am going to use this to help to I'm going to use this in my centerpiece. So if you want to recreate this, not Walmart, or Walmart probably sell canvases as well, but I've seen canvases at the Dollar Tree that you can use. You need at least 2 of them to create this tall rectangular centerpiece. I have some floral foam here, 2 pieces to put my arrangement in. Some spray paint, hot glue gun, and then a wire cutter to cut the flowers. So I don't have that to show you. And then also, like, I'm gonna use I call this twine. I hope I'm saying the right term. I'm either gonna use this to hang my tea light holders, or I'm gonna use some of this beaded string. I'm gonna look to see which one I like the best. So these are the things that you're gonna need, and if I forget anything, I will let you know later on in the video. But these are the things you're gonna need to get started. So let's get started. Okay, so now I'm about to take my wooden rod and I'm gonna hot glue all 4 of them in these corners here. So that's what I'm doing now. So give it a nice amount of glue. Okay, now I'm taking the other piece and I'm gonna put hot glue in the corners and then put the other piece on top of this. So I want to move kind of fast. The hot glue does dry fast, so you want to give it a nice amount, and then you want to move quickly. I decided to take some bling and cover these staples here. So add that to your supply list. I already have it measured out. I'm gonna add that on. And also off camera, I spray painted this centerpiece. Okay, so for the base, I'm gonna take 4 sunflowers and just put them in the corners like this. Okay, so now I'm taking my X-Acto knife and I'm doing 3 cuts in the top of my structure, small little cuts. And my first cut is in the middle, and then I'm moving my next cut over about, let's say about 1 inch. And then this one about 1 inch from the middle cut. And then, like I said before, I'm gonna thread it through. So I don't know if you can see it. I have like 3 little cuts. Okay, now I'm gonna take my tea light holder, and I got like a little plastic needle. I get these from Banners. And then once I get it at the top, I'm gonna have them hanging at different lengths. So once I get it at the length that I want, I'm just gonna hot glue it. So hot gluing the first one. So I'm gonna definitely have one that's kind of long. Okay, so I cut the string, I hot glued the strings here, and then I cut them. And now I'm about to take my floral foam and hot glue it to the top of here, my 2 pieces. And I'm keeping the plastic on because this foam, it tears apart easily. candle holders here at the base. And then I'm taking my sunflower seeds and I'm gonna put these into the candle holders. Pour them in. I am very happy with the way this centerpiece turned out. I love the sunflowers. Even though it uses only one type of flower, I still think that is very beautiful. I also like the candles and the way I use the sunflower seeds here at the bottom, and I like the hanging tea lights. Please let me know, comment below and let me know what you think of this centerpiece. Also, if you know of anybody that has an event coming up soon, please feel free to share this video with them. And if you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so now. Don't forget to watch my upcoming episode. I'm gonna also work with sunflowers. Again, I'm gonna do another sunflower centerpiece. I plan on doing 2, but I'm a little bit tired and I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to both centerpieces because my event is coming up real soon. But just stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in with me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.